Hi guys, so welcome back to my kitchen, and today's video I will show you guys how I prepared this very delicious looking vegetable curry sauce. If you're interested, please relax and keep watching. To make this recipe, I'll be making use of this chicken here. Feel free to use any type of meat you like. And to marinate this chicken, I have some garlic, ginger, onions, and shallot. So I'm going to chop up everything, add it in a blender, and blend together. I also added about 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary. I added 2 cubes of Knorr. I added water and I blended everything together. I just love having this very perfect marinade for my chicken, because if you season your chicken very well, that means your food is going to come out so delicious. So I'm also going to be adding some prawns or shrimps to this sauce. This is optional, okay, but if you have it, just try it out. I'm sure you'll like it. So I added some curry, I added salt. Feel free to check the description box for all of those ingredients. I threw in some bay leaves and I poured the blended ginger, garlic, onion, etc. mixture. Then I mixed everything together. I love seasoning my chicken very well because I'm not going to add any more seasoning to this sauce. Okay, this is the base. That's why I took my time to marinate the chicken properly. Then after mixing all this together, I covered it with a film wrap. I kept it in the fridge to marinate. I also added some pepper. Yeah, I also added some pepper. Then I kept it in the fridge to marinate for about 1 hour. If you have time, you can leave it for longer. You can even leave it overnight. And if you don't have time, that is okay. Just go ahead and start cooking immediately. While our chicken is chilling in the fridge and marinating, I'm going to show you guys the vegetables I will use for this sauce. And here I have 2 red bell peppers, 2 green bell peppers, 2 yellow bell peppers. I have half cabbage. I have some carrots, and these are all the vegetables I will use for this sauce. So I went ahead and cut these vegetables into squares or rectangles. It doesn't matter, just cut it according to whatever shape or size you love. And for my carrots, I love cutting them into the slanted round shapes. And if the carrot is huge or very big, I like to cut it into halves first before I slice into the round slanted shapes or slanted round shapes. With your cabbage, you can't even go wrong with it because cabbage always wilts when you introduce heat to it. So whatever size or shape you cut it, you probably not even notice it inside the food. So these are all the vegetables I have plus this sweet corn. I love adding sweet corns to my sauce. So at this point, our chicken is done marinating, and I'll go ahead and prepare everything now. So the first thing is to transfer this chicken into a pot, whatever pot you want to use. Choose a very big pot and add the marinated chicken. Cover it and just let the chicken cook. Do not add water at this point. Now this was after about 10 minutes of cooking the chicken and shrimps on its own juice. Now I stirred everything together and I poured about 2 cups of water. So this quantity of water should depend on the quantity of sauce you are making. I just added 2 cups of water and I mixed it again. I covered it and I allowed the chicken to continue cooking. This was after about 6 more minutes of cooking my chicken and it is soft at this point. So I poured in the carrot. Carrot takes the most time to cook among all the veggies I'm using. So that's why I added it in first. Then I covered it and I just allowed the carrot to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes. And while waiting for the carrot to steam, I dissolved 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in water to use as thickener. If you don't have cornstarch, feel free to use all-purpose flour. After about 4 minutes of adding in the carrots, I added in all the other vegetables because they have almost the same cook time. So I added the cabbage, the green peppers, and the sweet corn, and I mixed everything together. I then covered it to steam for 3 more minutes, and this was after 3 minutes. Our sauce is ready, but the last thing is to add in the thickener, which is the dissolved corn starch. So I just poured it in and gave it the final stir, and that is it. Okay, this sauce is ready and it tastes heavenly. I hope you guys try out this recipe. It is so delicious and healthy. You can pair this sauce with white rice, with yams, with pasta, or you can just enjoy it alone. It is so healthy. Please give this video a thumbs up and please share it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Also turn on your bell notification, that is the bell sign near the subscribe button, so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Let me know in the comment section if this is how you prepare your sauce. Also check out my other sauce recipe. That is the one I prepared with coconut milk. That one tastes so heavenly as well. You can also try out that recipe. I'm sure you will love them. Thank you so much and have a great day.